Amika, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niobe and today I'm gonna show you guys how I get my big bouncy voluminous curls. And it took me a while to get here because my hair used to be damaged, honey. Like there was like no curl in my hair just because I am also a model and my hair would just go through so much manipulation that it was affecting my curl pattern. But with that hard lesson came a lot of education. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the family, like this video if you find it helpful, and follow me on Instagram. So girlies, I just stepped out of the shower and I wanted to share with you guys my shampoo and conditioner set that I use. They are both by Amika and these are called the Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Repair Set. This is the shampoo here with the purple, lighter purple top, and this is the conditioner with the darker purple top. And this collection right here is my absolute favorite when it comes to cooling out my blonde curls. When I use these products, I allow them to sit in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes. And I use this set every other time, so about 1 to 2 times a month. That's because I like to make sure that I am nourishing my hair in other ways other than cooling my blonde. By the way, I'll make sure to have everything linked down below. All right, my loves. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is what the bottle looks like. My hair is damp and I'm just gonna take it out of its claw clip and I'm gonna allow this mask to sit in my hair for about 15 minutes because my hair has been a little dry lately, and honestly I feel like it's because of the fact that it is colored and bleached, as well as the summer heat, which has been doing us all so wrong. So I'm gonna just make sure I run my fingers through all the strands in my hair like so. And I'm very generous when I apply hair masks. My hair is tangled, which we will get to the detangling part after this. We're gonna allow this mask to sit in for a while because it will help when detangling. I like to apply a deep conditioning mask every time I reset my hair just because our hair goes through a lot. So if your hair is looking like hay or feeling like hay, it's because it needs moisture. You need to feed it moisture. You need to nourish your hair. So, okay, now I'm gonna leave it up in my claw clip. This is what the claw clip looks like. This is my literal favorite claw clip. My friend T actually gave it to me. I'm pretty sure it's on Amazon. If I find it, I'll leave the link down below. But this is just my OG fave. Look at this. This is so cute. And she's been lasting me. She's literally my good luck charm. Also, if you have a plastic bag, you can apply a plastic bag over your head. I ran out of plastic bags. I tried to look and I just don't have any more. I only have Amazon bags and they're like paper bags. So we're not about to do that because that doesn't even make any sense. Okay, so this is what my shower cap looks like. Literally just a shower cap. You can grab it from any freaking where or just put a plastic bag over your head. So I'm just gonna put this over my hair mask and we're just gonna let this bad boy sit and just marinate because we want bold, beautiful, luscious, happy curls. Okay, my love, so once you rinse out your mask, you're gonna go ahead and grab a flexi brush if you have one. So I really love using my flexi brush right here. This is the Rizos Curl Flexi Brush. I absolutely love this brush. This is like my favorite brush to detangle my curls with. It just helps with the form of my curls and it's also a lot more delicate when it comes to untangling them. So I like to start at the bottom of my hair and work my way up just so that I'm not pulling and tugging at my hairs too much, which can actually cause a lot of hair loss. Do you guys see the difference in my hair? Look at how smooth my hair is on this side versus this side. It just has a lot of untangling that needs to get done. And I just used this brush that I was just telling you guys about. It's like literally my favorite brush because it just helps you glide through your hair. Mind you, it might take a few times of a little bit of patience because you have to unknot some things. Like you hear, I have like a little bit of knots down here. I'm gonna go ahead and untangle my right side. So she is completely brushed out, as you can see. So beautiful. Now I am gonna go in and add a little hydrating boost to my hair, and I'm gonna follow up with a gel foam styling mousse. These two are from Miche. So first I like to go in with this hydrating boost by Miche, and I start off with the bottom part of my hair, my tips, because it is the oldest part of your hair, because obviously it's been here the longest with all this growth. And you just want to make sure that you're able to keep that hydrated as much as possible. I don't know if you guys ever seen or if this ever happens to you when you are done with your hair. Parts of it frizzes up, and it usually tends to be like the drier parts, which a lot of times are your tips. You'll get like this fringe look. And then I go in with my styling mousse, also by Miche. So I make sure I get this throughout my whole head, and I use the raking technique, which is literally you raking through your hair like so, just like that. And that helps the product get through every curl while also helping you form your curls. For about the past year, I've been getting into hair oils, and currently the one I am using at the moment is called the Briogeo Destined for Density. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm damn near almost finished with it. Very generous when I apply this. And this is a mega strength caffeine and biotin peptide density serum. So this is what the little dropper looks like. Literally just gonna apply it throughout my scalp like so, and after I get it throughout, I'm going to massage my scalp, and I'm just adding a tad. And I go in and massage. So next we are going to blow dry, but before we do that, we have to go in with a bomb heat protectant because we didn't just do all that loving to our hair for no reason. So I'm gonna go in with the Briogeo Farewell Frizz, and this is a blow dry perfecting and heat protecting cream. And I am applying this the same way I applied my mousse, and that's just by raking it throughout my hair like so. I am pretty generous when it comes to my heat protectants. Okay guys, so we are now going to blow dry. This is the blow dryer I will be using. I've had this bad boy since I was in high school. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and blow dry my curls upside down. Easier if I just show you rather than tell you. Now I'm gonna go in with my Frizz fighting spray, and this is by Joico. This stuff smells so freaking good. It just smells like vanilla. Every time I spray this in my hair, I get so many compliments on the smell. And if you just want like a good smelling product slash spray slash frizz control, this bad boy right here, it's it. This is what it looks like. Defy damage. It's also a bond protector, by the way, which I always forget about because I'm so pressed on the smell. But yeah. My hair has gotten so healthy and beautiful. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this shit right now? I'm so proud, okay? Because my hair a few years back was just so damaged. But I have learned so much when it comes to curly hair and just the hair care behind it and just how to feel beautiful in your curls that it inspired me to just make this video, and I will definitely continue to make more. Yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. Comment down below if you have any questions or would like to see more from me. Definitely get to those ASAP Rocky. Thanks again for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.